now we're going to do the side seams. So what I'm going to do is put my ends on top of each other. This is how I can check how well I've worked. Could be perfect. Woohoo! On this side it's perfect. On the other side it wasn't quite perfect. I'll just show you because I'm not perfect all the time. Look, it's a little bit out. That makes no odds. It's much more important that they line up at the bottom. So I'm going to go back to how I've done it perfect here, and I can now put together my side seam edge to edge. Cool. So if you have got it perfect on both of yours, you can give yourself a pat on the back, because actually that is quite a feat. And I remember that when I started sewing and learning all these techniques, I didn't think, I can take that back out now, I didn't think I'd ever get there. I thought this was so complicated, and actually it's not. When you know how, it's always that thing, isn't it? When you know how, everything is easy. So I'm going to put a vertical pin in here just so I don't catch anything. And I'm going to sew down with my 1 centimeter seam allowance straight down. Remember, it goes wider there, and we want to go that little bit further on there. And yeah, that's the side seams done. Let's go and sew this from here to there. Lock in your stitches and off you go. At the end, make sure it's nice and flat. Remove the pin, lock in your stitches again, and you're done. As always, we're going to iron the seam flat first, and then we're going to iron the seam apart. Don't you think that looks absolutely stunning? I think that's really great. There we are, beautiful corners, beautiful side seam. Totally simple, and it looks so cool, as if you are like a total pro, which of course, if you follow all my courses, you will be sewing like a pro, won't you? So now we're ready to move on to our next step.